So if you're considering a hair patch versus hair restoration, how do you make this decision? The best answer is to see a hair transplantologist, a hair restoration doctor, to have him or her help you with that decision. But in general, if you have enough donor hair in the posterior scalp and want something permanent, hair restoration is the way to go. A hair transplantologist can help you decide, do you have enough donor site? And if you do, and you decide for the hair transplantation, he can help you with that. If you don't, then hair pieces or hair patches can be an alternative.